Flanders Fields, John McCrae.
Flanders Fields, the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row, that market place. In the sky, the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard among the guns below.
We are the dead. Short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow. Loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders Fields.
Our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high. If you break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though the poppies grow in Flanders Field.